Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're continuing on with the Mambo, and this is called the open break and underarm turn. Let's get right in.
Leader's foot directions. So I did my side basic, no problem so far. Now, instead of rocking forward my left foot, I do what's called an open break. So I rock backwards on my left foot to create a little bit of space between us and signal a pattern change. I replace and take a side step as I normally would. I rock backwards on my right foot as she does this underarm turn. I replace and take a side step and go right back forward into my regular side basic again. So I have three rock steps backwards in a row in order to lead this open break. From the side basic, I went forward, replace, side, back, replace, side. My additional back, replace, side. The third time back, replace, side, forward into a side basic again, finishing that up. My rhythm is kui, quick, slow, kui, quick, slow. The figure is kui, quick, slow, kui, quick, slow, kui, quick, slow, kui, quick, slow.
Okay, followers foot directions. So we're gonna start going back, replace, side, forward, replace, side. From here, we're doing an open break, but for us, it's the same footwork going back, replace, side, and now we do our turn. So we're gonna pivot or swivel on the foot, then we're gonna step across, unwinding, stepping forward, turning again, landing with the side step. From here, you can just recover with the basic step to get back into whatever's next. So let's do that turn a few times because it's gonna be the hard part here. So our weight is already gonna be starting on the right foot. We swivel on the foot, quarter turn, stepping forward, doing a spot turn halfway around. From here, stepping forward, finishing my turn, and then side, getting back to the beginning. So it's a very similar spot turn to your cha-cha, rumba, all of those kinds of dances, right? So from here, turning, stepping across, turning, stepping forward, turning, side. Let's do just the kind of rhythm here. So from here, I turn and I step, quick and slow, for example. If we don't count the ands, I go quick, slow. So just that turn, okay? Let's go through the whole thing now with foot directions one more time, just to make sure we got the whole pattern. So starting from the basic, we go back, rock, side, forward, rock, side, back, rock, side, forward, side, basic, back, rock, side, forward, rock, side. Okay, let's do it from another angle, maybe this way, so you can see my turn. We're gonna do some rhythm. We're gonna go quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. We can go over some arm options and things like that with Chris.
So our rhythm, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. And for this side, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. We do our side basic. I do my extra rock step to create a little bit of space between us. Nothing extra, like I'm not gonna slide away, but I let go over of my right arm. We both take our side step as normal. I lift my hand as I rock backwards so she can go execute this turn. We'll meet again on the side step. We can go right back into our basic step. Nothing too crazy. So one basic as normal. Additional rock step backwards as I let go of her. We both take the side step. She goes and turns. Side step to reconnect, back into the basic again.
Okay, so arm options, we don't have too many because Mambo is so fast, so we really don't want to do too much with it. So option number one is just to keep it in. I'll show you where I put it. So from here, I like to put it kind of on my waist. You can put it on your hip as well. I like to put it here just because I find it easier to get to quicker, and you can open it up as you go through. Option number 2, we keep it here the whole time. And then of course we just go right back to dance position. So depending on like how fast the music is and maybe your comfortability with arm styling, depends on like how much you want to do with it. But the faster the dance, the less like big our arms are going to be naturally, because we don't have the time to do it, especially something like Mambo. But there can be times where you can extend fully and other times where I'd probably recommend not. Now let's just talk quickly about the open break. We've done this in different dances, but in case this is your first dance, I open my arm to the side, and then for now I'm going to bring it in. I like to extend it on the way out because I'm going to go back to dance position anyways. So you're just going to open up the arm in the open break. Let's do that one more time from the basic. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick, slow. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you don't know, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com, where we have all of these steps, ad-free, instant access, plus so much more content. So you definitely want to check that out. It's in the link below for you. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe here for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.